I'm Richard Lee from the Montreal Weather Center, and here's the forecast for the last week of April in Montreal. April was an extraordinary month in terms of temperatures. The first weekend of April, remember the Easter holiday weekend in which we had summer-like temperatures of 25, 26 degrees Celsius. We didn't see those temperatures for the rest of the month, but temperatures, although were cooler than those 26-degree temperatures, were still quite balmy and above the normals for this time of year. Mother Nature has not finished yet with her surprises. For the last week of April, she will be ordering possibly winter in the Montreal area. I'm not kidding. Temperatures for the next few days will be falling quite a bit. Actually, let's start with Monday as we start off this last week of May in Montreal. On Monday, it will be a sunny day in Montreal. Temperatures will be above normal, so it will be pretty mild on Monday. However, the big surprise will be on Monday night. On Monday night, we have a low pressure system which is currently in eastern Quebec. That low pressure system has a lot of cold air behind that system, and that cold air will be drained into the Montreal region on Monday night into Tuesday. During that time frame, temperatures will fall quite a bit to near the freezing point Monday night into Tuesday morning. In the same time, with that cold air aloft in the atmosphere, this will create a lot of instability, so a lot of cloud formation and precipitation. Temperatures will be cool enough to see even some snowflakes, wet snowflakes in the Montreal region, especially Monday night into Tuesday morning. There is no accumulation though. In the next few days, that low pressure system will be departing the Montreal area, but very, very slowly, so we'll have a lot of cloudy days. A mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures will start to be getting milder each day from Wednesday into Thursday, but still remaining well below the average. By Friday, this cold low pressure system will be leaving the Montreal region. This will be replaced by high pressure, which will be giving some sunshine on Friday. Temperatures will be going back to normal values by Friday. And for the first weekend of May, a lot of uncertainties right now, possibility of shower activity. It might be sunny as well, so it's 50-50 at this time here. I'll be giving you more updates as we head into the latter part of this week. So, in a nutshell, don't be surprised to see some wet snowflakes in the Montreal area Monday night into Tuesday morning. And if it doesn't snow, it'll be cold outside, so you need to wear that winter jacket once again for Tuesday morning. I'm Richard Lee from the Montreal Weather Center, wishing you a great week.